What is Git? Git is an open source and free source control management system designed to manage everything from small to very large projects with speed and efficiency. You can manage changes made to your file at any given time, and you can also track those changes. So to put this plainly, okay, let's take this for example. Let's use this scenario. Imagine you're working on a group project and you and your teammates need to collaborate and make changes to the project files. Git is like a tool that will help you manage and keep track of those changes effectively. Think of Git as a system that takes snapshots of your project files whenever you make changes. It's like taking pictures of your project at different points in times. Now, these snapshots are called commits. We'll get into this at a later time in the future. So instead of saving just the final version of your project, Git stores a history of all the changes that you've made to your project. Now, let's say you and your teammates are working on different parts of the project at the same time. Git now allows each and sorry, Git allows each of you to make these changes to your project without interfering with each other. That means Git with Git you can collaborate on the same project at the same time without interfering with each other. Now, how does this work? It works by creating separate branches. We'll learn about branches in the future. It works by creating separate branches where you can work independently.